Today is February 7th, 2017.
We are Team King Coders from Ocean Palms Elementary.
I am Bobby and my role is to develop the code.
I'm Adam and my role is to develop the plan.
This is attempt 1.
What is your goal for this project?
Our goal for the project is to use Dash to get 2 ping pong balls into the correct cups.
And which part of the mission are you trying to tackle?
You're trying to tackle the distance from the cup to launch the ping pong ball into the cup.
So what steps will you guys use to reach your goal?
We're going to move Dash to the cups, and we're going to have him check in each cup if Dot is there. And if Dot is not there, he's going to launch the ping pong ball into the cup. And if he does see Dot, he'll move on to the next cup.
So what did each of you guys do to contribute to your plan?
I came up with how he was going to check the different cups.
And I wrote the code.
Okay, can you tell me about this, Adam?
In this, he moves forward and turns left, so he's at the cup there, and he checks if Dot is there, and if Dot is there, he moves on to the next one, but if Dot is not there, he launches the ping pong ball into the cup.
So describe what happened when your team ran the program.
So first, Dash moved to the right location, but he didn't sense that Dot was on the cup, and he fired anyway.
What else happened?
He didn't fire with enough power to get it to the cup.
All right, so what are some mistakes that might have occurred, Bobby?
We might not have put enough launching power, and also we might need to tweak his senses a little bit.
All right. What did you guys learn during this round of experimenting with Dash?
He needs to be pretty close to Dot for the sensors to work.
And we also need to have more launching power.
Okay, so what are your next steps? What are you guys going to do next time?
Make sure he gets closer to Dot and
Make sure he
that
has
the
enough
right
launching power.
All right.
Today is February 21st, 2017.
We are at Ocean Palms Elementary and our club name is King Coders.
My name is Adam.
I'm Bobby.
I developed the plan.
And I write the code.
This is attempt number
Number 2.
2.
All right, boys, so what is your goal for this project?
Our goal for the project is to control Dash to get a ping pong ball in 2 cups.
All right, what part of the mission are you trying to tackle?
You have right amount of power to get the ball into the cup.
All right, what are the steps that your team will use to reach the goal?
We're going to see how far he needs to be from the cup, and we're going to test different powers.
All right, and what will each member of your team do to contribute to the plan?
I will write the code.
I'm going to help move around the cups and tell him if it needs more power or less power.
When we ran the program, he started off well, but he turned the wrong way, so he started going backwards.
Our mistake was we flipped the way he should be turning. Instead of having him turn right and then left, we had him turn left and then right.
What we learned during this course of this project is we need to be more careful of what we're putting down for our code.
Our next steps are to fix the code and to check everything else in the code and make sure it's not messed up either.
Go ahead.
Today is February 21st, 2017.
We are the King Coders from Ocean Palms Elementary.
All right, this is what I want you to do.
My name is Bobby.
And I'm Adam.
My role is to develop the code.
And my role is to develop the plan.
This is attempt number 3. Our goal for the project is to get both balls into the cups and our goal for the project is to code dash to get 2 cups into the 2 balls into the correct cups.
The part of the mission that we're trying to tackle is to fix which way he is turning and check the code for any other mistakes we might have made.
Video 3, the plan. Go ahead.
The steps we're going to use to reach our goal is to look back over the code a few more times.
I will double check it one more time.
And I'll double check it one more time after him to make sure nothing is incorrect.
Okay, is one of you going to be in charge of like hitting the code or running the code and one running the robot?
I will be resetting the cups and all the balls.
And I'll be in the code.
So describe what happened when your team ran the program.
So he got farther than last time, but there's still a little bit of a mess up in the code.
What were the mistakes that might have happened?
He wasn't in the right position to sense dot or to get the balls into the cup.
And also he did not move far enough, so he couldn't sense that and his launch couldn't get into the cup.
Okay, so what did you guys learn during this round of experimentation?
We need to test the distances more and see at what distance he can sense dot.
So what are your next steps?
To figure out what distance he needs to be from dot and make sure he gets that close.
All right.